I am back at these units again. Here's this paint unit. (2019) 5-ton. I got this one on a low ambient kit. And then here are these units. This one's running. 2003 1.5 ton. And then here's a Weather King. 2022 ton. Here are these units. Here's a Comfort Maker, I think. Pretty sure this one's a Comfort Maker. (2011) 2-ton. These both have Copeland reciprocating compressors. Here's a soft sound. I think that's a 2.5 ton from 2004. This ICP right here is running. Looks like it got dented in a little. (2015) 5-ton. This one has a Copeland scroll compressor. Here are these units. This one's shaking. Here's a Rheem unit. Copeland scroll compressor. (2017) 5-ton. Nice units. Anyways, thanks for watching.